Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a killer Sudoku. In today's newspaper of Tuesday, November the 7th, 2023, and there are two regular puzzles. One I've already solved, the binary puzzle, and one is left, the killer Sudoku. And I've told you earlier, there's an additional in this newspaper, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, it's exactly 1 month the war started in the other war started in Israel. Yeah, ceasefire. Stop the war, yes. All those killing. Yeah. Enough about the war. Let me start with this one. 7405, yeah. 7405. And for killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. And we have 2 given numbers. The 4 in this triple box of 10, that means that those 2 boxes together should be a 6. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Here we have a 1 in this triple box of 16. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 15. 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Alright? So let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. Looking for a big square with 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one has 1 sharing box. This one is complete. If I count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. This big square has 1 sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1. This one is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum will be 45. This one has also 1. This one has 1. Okay, let me start with this one. 18. 11 plus 8 is 19. 18 plus 19 is 37. 37, so 45 minus 37 is in 8. This box should be an 8. In the box of 14, the combination here will be 8 plus 6. Now, this is completed. Let me go down this one. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. So, double 9 is 18, plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 6 is 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box should be a 9. In the box of 16, the combination here will be 9 plus 7. Now, this big square, if I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 12 plus 8 is 20. Double 9 is 18. 18 plus 20 is 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 7. This box should be a 7. In the box of 12, the combination here will be 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. We go down this big square. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. 18 plus 19 is 37. 37 plus 6 is 43. So 45 minus 43 is a 2. In the box of 5, the combination here will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. Only one combination. For example, the box of 4. Only one combination, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1. Here we have a box of 16. Only one combination, 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7. We have a box of 15. Box of 15, 6, 8. 12, 9, 8, 9. 9, 19, 5. 9, 12, 9, 6. 17, box of 17, only one combination, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. 13, 5, 6, 7, and the box of 16. only one combination here, the 9 and the 7. 9 plus 7 is equal to 17. Well, I cannot place the 9 here because we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. And that's all. Okay, let me see. 9, 9, yeah. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. I cannot place the 9 in the box of 9, of course, otherwise the combination will be 9 plus 0. 0 is not allowed. So, should be here in this triple box of 19. That means that those two boxes together should be 10. 9, 10, 5, okay. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, only 2 places left for 9. Goes in the box of 12, combination 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay. Then 3 could be here, could be there. Okay, 3 and 7. Well, we have 3 in one of those two boxes in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 3 in this box because we have already a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 3 there. I cannot place the 3 here because then these two boxes together should be a 10, so then the combination will be 3 plus 7, and look, the 7 is already used in this big square. Should be in the box of 5 here in this column. Combination here, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. All right. We have a 2. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9. Otherwise, the combination will be 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in one of those two boxes in the box of 16. So the 2 should be in the box of 10. Combination 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 10, of course, otherwise I need another 5. Double 5 is not allowed. Should be here in the box of 7, combination 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So now in this row we have 2 missing numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the box of 6, of course, otherwise combination will be 6 and the 0. 0 is not allowed, so the 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. In the box of 6, the combination here will be 1 plus 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 10. Then the combination will be 1 and the 9. 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Well, the 9 is already used in this big square. Should be here in the 1 in the box of 9. Combination 1 and 8. 1 and 8. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes there. So the 4 in this column, the 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 9, otherwise the combination will be 4 and the 5. Well, the 5 is already used in this big square. So the 4 should be here. These two boxes together should be 10. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, plus 9 is equal to 19. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and an 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. And now. Let me see. 4. Need a 4 here. 4 and a 5. 4 and the 8. Okay. Well. 8, 7. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 in the box of 6. These two boxes together should be 6. Cannot place the 7 in the box of 5, of course, so it should be in the box of 13. Combination 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. Let me mark those. One of the missing number in this big square is number 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 5. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 4. The 4 is already used in this big square. So the second option should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and 3. Let me mark those. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers the 1, the 2. 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Let me mark those. Well, we have 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 goes in the box of 9. Combination will be 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay, so we have 8, 8. 8 can be here. 8, 8. Well. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 in those 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 2. In this box of 8 should be here. The combination here will be 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 box left in this triple box. For the number 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. And 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So we have 8 in this column. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. Here and 8 in the second row. No 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be here. In the box of 15, combination will be 8 plus 7 is equal to 15. Here we have a box of 15. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 8 plus 7. And also 9 and the 6. 9 and the 6. Let me mark those. 9 and the 6. So one of the missing number here is the number 2. I cannot place the 2 in these 2 boxes. Because we have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 should be in the box of 6. Combination 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 3 goes there. 9 and a 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. Oh, no. I need to wait here. 9 and 7, 9 and 6. 3 and a 1. Okay. Well. 4, 4. We have a 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. I cannot place the 4 in the box of 8. Otherwise, I need another 4. Double 4 is not allowed. Should be here. In this triple box of 18, that means that these 2 boxes together should be 14. 14 plus 4 is equal to 18. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be there. In the box of 12, combination will be 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. 9 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 9 goes there. Then. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 goes in the box of 6. The combination will be 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5. Let me mark those. One of the missing number in this. Oh wait, I need to wait. Well, triple 9 and 6. Come on. Here, 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Well, suppose this box is a 3, then this should be a 6. Suppose this box should be a 7, this should be a 2. Same for here, 6 and a 2. 7 and a 3. 9, 9, need a 9 there. Yeah, 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 9, goes in one of these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes together should be 14. So 9 plus 5 is equal to 14, plus 4 is equal to 18. We have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 and 6, we have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 9 and 7, we have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. In the box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 3 and 1, we have 1 in this row. Second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing and 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We need to wait. 6 and a 2, we have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 7, we have a 3 now in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 5 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 in this second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 7 and a 6, we have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time, because I thought I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, not quite 3 stars. Let me give this 2 stars. I'm not faster than 15 minutes, so I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. No, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now, and have a great and fantastic Tuesday.